Welcome back to Drive Zone, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts and those looking to make an informed decision before their next car purchase. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our in-depth reviews, comparisons, and all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda Civic. If you've been following the updates on this model, you already know that it's a major contender in the compact car market. From its stylish exterior to its impressive interior features, the 2025 Honda Civic is designed to offer a blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Let's break down all the specs and features that make this car a standout in its class. First up, let's talk about the engine. The 2025 Honda Civic comes with a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a robust 180 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. This is the engine found in the sportier trims, providing a solid balance of performance and fuel efficiency. If you're looking for an even more dynamic drive, the Civic C offers an upgrade to a sportier, higher output variant, offering enhanced driving thrills. Coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission or the available CVT, this engine provides a smooth and responsive driving experience, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. When it comes to transmission, the 2025 Honda Civic gives you the choice between a manual gearbox, which is favored by those who love a more connected and hands-on driving experience, and the continuously variable transmission, CVT, which is aimed at maximizing fuel efficiency and comfort. With either option, shifting is smooth, and driving becomes an enjoyable experience. For drive type, the Honda Civic sticks to the tried and tested front-wheel drive FWD configuration, which offers excellent fuel efficiency and a stable, predictable driving experience, especially in urban settings. While all-wheel drive might be available on some competitors, the Civic's FWD system remains more than capable for the majority of driving scenarios. Step inside the cabin, and you'll be greeted by a well-designed and spacious interior. The 2025 Civic seats up to 5 passengers, with the front seats offering a good amount of adjustability and comfort. The materials used inside are high quality, with soft touch surfaces and, depending on the trim, leather upholstery adding a touch of luxury. You can opt for heated and ventilated seats, especially in the higher trims, ensuring you're comfortable in all weather conditions. Whether you're taking a short drive or embarking on a longer road trip, the Civic's interior provides a welcoming and cozy atmosphere. On the outside, the 2025 Honda Civic carries a sleek, modern design. The body style remains a compact sedan, but it's sportier and more refined than ever. It has an aggressive front end, with a sharp grille and LED headlights that give it a bold presence on the road. In terms of size, the Civic measures around 184 inches in length, 70 inches in width, and stands at about 56 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 106 inches. These proportions give the car a balanced and athletic stance. Now, let's talk suspension and handling. The 2025 Civic features independent suspension on both the front and rear, which enhances ride quality and handling. Whether you're tackling tight corners or cruising on the highway, the Civic's suspension system ensures a smooth and controlled ride. The steering is precise and responsive, thanks to its rack and pinion system, giving you a connected feel with the road. When it comes to brakes, the Civic is equipped with disc brakes on all 4 wheels, which provide excellent stopping power and fade resistance. The braking system is solid, ensuring your safety even in emergency situations. The standard anti-lock braking system, ABS, helps to prevent wheel lockup, while electronic stability control, ESC, helps maintain control during slippery conditions or emergency maneuvers. Speaking of safety, the 2025 Honda Civic is packed with features to keep you and your passengers safe. It comes with multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags, to protect occupants in the event of a collision. The Civic also comes standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety technologies, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision warning. These features make the Civic one of the safest vehicles in its class. Moving on to the infotainment system, the 2025 Civic comes with a 7-inch or 9-inch touchscreen, depending on the trim level. It's equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to integrate your smartphone. You also get Bluetooth connectivity, a high-quality radio system, and an available navigation system. The sound quality is top-notch, and the user interface is intuitive, making it easy to access your favorite music or podcasts. In terms of other features, the 2025 Honda Civic doesn't disappoint. It comes with standard cruise control, power windows, and locks, as well as an optional sunroof for those who enjoy the open sky during their drives. For the higher trims, you can enjoy even more premium features, such as a wireless charging pad, premium leather upholstery, and a high-end sound system. Notable changes for the 2025 model include an updated front-end design and the introduction of a more refined interior with advanced technology. Honda has also focused on increasing the car's overall driving dynamics, making the 2025 Civic feel more engaging than ever before. With all these features, the 2025 Honda Civic is a strong contender in the compact sedan category. Whether you're looking for a car that's fun to drive, loaded with technology, or simply a reliable daily commuter, the Civic ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest cars. We're here at Drive Zone to bring you all the information you need to make the best choice for your next ride. Keep cruising, and we'll see you in the next video.